Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove the front wheel of a bicycle. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right over here, this is an old bicycle that I have in my garage. And I'm going to show you how to remove the front wheel. Now, on some bicycles, there's going to be a quick release lever that allows you to get the front wheel off in just a very short period of time. This one does not have a quick release lever, so it's just a couple of extra steps, but it's the same idea. The idea is very simple. I'm going to turn this slightly. Whoa, bike almost fell. There we go. Look at that catch. That was awesome. All right, anyways, let me just show you on this side. The wheel is basically held in place because there are two tightened nuts at the ends of the wheel. So two tightened nuts. There's one tightened nut on either side of the wheel, okay? So essentially, in order to remove the wheel, you have to loosen those nuts. If you have a quick release lever, you just sort of pop it open and it will loosen the nuts enough to remove the wheel. If you don't have a quick release lever, you're going to have to loosen the nuts using a wrench or a socket set or something like that. So if you have a quick release lever, you can just sort of pop out that quick release lever. You just sort of fold it out and then you can remove the wheel. Just be careful not to push on the brakes or to hit the brakes, and it's really that simple. But if you don't have a quick release lever like this one over here, then what you're going to need is just a socket set or just two wrenches like this. I have a set of locking pliers on this side. I'm going to put just like that, okay? And then I just have these sort of smaller adjustable pliers going on this side. And essentially, I'm just going to be loosening the nuts. So for this one, it's going to turn counterclockwise, just like that, okay? And this one as well, counterclockwise, just like that. Okay, so I'm turning this one on this side counterclockwise, and then this side over here, a couple more turns. I might even be able to do with my finger. Yeah, it's loose enough that I can do it with my fingers. So I'm turning both of the nuts counterclockwise, okay? And now that they've been turned enough that there's a little bit of a gap between the nut and the bike frame, all I have to do is pull the wheel off. And like I said, just be careful not to like hit the brakes or anything like that, but literally just gently take the wheel off just like that. And the tire right now is like you might have to loosen the wheel, loosen the brakes before taking it off if your tire, depending on your tire style. This tire is flat, so I can just squish the tire, but you might have to loosen the brakes in order to slide the wheel out, depending on how tight your brakes are. But this tire is flat, so I just squished the tire. But like I said, if your tire is scraping against the brakes, then you're gonna have to loosen the brakes just to like loosen them up just to get enough clearance to get that tire out, that wheel out. But yeah, as you can see, it's that easy to remove a front wheel of a bicycle. It's that simple. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. And I truly hope that you enjoyed it. And that's it. I got nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.